Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, or whatever video this is for, to whatever. Um, so yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and hope you guys join the Discord and ask for more tutorials because I need to make content. Or I don't need to make content, but I want to make content for you guys. So if you if you want to, go to the Discord. There'll be a channel called Suggest Tutorials over here. Go into here. It'll be right here. Request tutorials. You can make a new post, make it whatever title you want, and say what it is and stuff. But yeah. Anyways, so yeah, I really hope you guys join the Discord. You guys are awesome. We've gained quite a few members actually. Like so, we've gained probably about 10 members or more since the first video I posted. And so yeah, I love all of you guys joining the game. So that's really nice of you guys. Anyways, back to the video. I'm going to be teaching you how to add trusted user, or no, not trusted user controller, how to add one-handed support to the game. So what you want to do is go to the Discord, link in the bio or the description. You're gonna want to go to the not that one. You're gonna want to go to scripts. Then hold on. Oh, okay. Hold up. Need to find the script. I have lost it. Okay. Okay. Well, that's gone different than I expected. Okay. Well, I guess now instead of one-handed support, I'm gonna teach you how to add trusted user to your game, I guess now. Okay. Anyways, moving on from that, go to the Discord. Right here is gonna be trusted user controller. Download that right here. We're bringing you into a new tab. Wait for it to download. Then you go back to your project. Go right click in the empty space, import new asset, downloads, and let me go find it real quick. Yours will probably be at the very top, just because you just now downloaded it. Okay, hold on. Let me find the script real quick. Right here. Also this. This might be the one having support. Okay, moving on from that. Wait until your scripts are done compiling, like so. Don't mind this. I accidentally opened this in the background. Just close that. Okay, now we're here. What you're gonna do is go to city or wherever you want your trusted user thing. I usually always put it here or here, depending on if there's cosmetics in here. One of them. What you're gonna do is go hit this plus button up here, 3D object cube. Then what you're gonna want to do is bring the cube over here, like so. Make it a little bit flatter, like so. then we're gonna stretch it a bit and then make it bigger. So put it in there so it fits like so. Hold up. Let me first fix mine. Like so. And then you want to make sure that they can't like glitch in there of any sort. So you want to make sure it's like there's no spaces to crawl through. And then you just want to search up glass or something. Just something that's like clear. You can do also materials that are like invisible on in the assets. You can do that. Okay, now we have that. Now what we do is we press here or up here, create empty, name it trusted user controller, and you're gonna put the script in. Object to disable, you're gonna make that the trusted user cube, whatever that's going into there. And then text mesh pro, what you want to do is click on your cube right here, right click it, read the object, text dash text mesh pro. You're gonna click that, and then if this pops up, you're gonna import both of these. It'll only take a second here. Import the examples and extras as well, just to get it out the way, like so. So gonna be done soon. Like so. Now you can close that. Shouldn't have any errors. If you do or warnings, just click clear. Should be gone. Now what we want to do is scale this down and then go here to sample text. You're gonna make that whatever number you want. I'm just gonna go with the basic number for that's in the script, and then you can make it whatever font you want. And then I'm gonna go with what font should I go with? I'll go with this one, just because it looked pretty cool. You're gonna put it right in there, like so, like right there, so everyone can see it. And then make sure it's in the cube. If it's not, drag it onto the cube so it's connected together. And now what you can do is drag this onto countdown text. And now right click this, right click the name script up there, edit script, wait for it to load, Microsoft Visual Studio. Then once this is done loading, it might load instantly for you. Don't worry about anything else. Just you see right here, starting time. You can make this whatever number you want. This is the amount of seconds that it takes to get into there. I just leave it as a nice casual 7,000, which is I don't know however many minutes. It's around an hour and some minutes. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. And then it's right there. And then boom, that's how you add trusted user. Now, when you go into game, once you go into game mode, and you go into the map, wherever you go into the map, wherever your trusted user thing is, it'll start the countdown. Just give me a second here. Like so. Then let's just go into city real quick. And then as you see, it is counting down as we speak. And then you can't go into there unless you do have mods like no clip and to clip into there, or you somehow glitch into there, but you can't go into there. As soon as the timer is up, then you can go into there, obviously. And then one thing also to talk about is the one-handed support, like I was gonna do in this video. It's most likely a lot of the projects already come with it. So how to see if you have it is search up left hand controller, like so. Click on left hand controller, like so. Exit out of there, and then just drag it forward. If it immediately brings it back to the gorilla chest, that means you do have one-handed controller. So it automatically brings it back to there. Hold up here. Yeah. So I might be able to find the script for that. Oh, right here. Connected controller handler. It's right here. I think so. I think this is what it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is what it is. I might put the script into the Unity Hub, just into my Unity Hub, just in here somewhere. And then, if you don't already have it, you import it, and then you take these, you make this right hand controller, left hand controller, and then this gorilla player. Make this 15 if it isn't. If it isn't already, make this none. Turn that off. Do whatever, and then make it these settings right here. Like you see, 35. Just make that 50. 310, 0, negative point 23, and then point 11, and then point, and then 2. Right here, target transforms. You're gonna, for the first one, you want left hand gorilla, and then left hand controller for the second one. Boom, left hand's done. Now go here, it's the exact same as the last one, I think. No. Okay. 310, 310, and then 325, and then 0, negative point 23, point 11, and then right hand gorilla, and then right hand controller on the target, transforms on the right hand, and then boom, you're connected. Then that's your one-handed controller done. At least I'm pretty positive that is what it is. So yeah, and FPS control. That's probably already in the project. Okay. But anyways, I will post this script somewhere. I just wanna see something real quick before I end the video. Control one. Okay, this also works as well. I don't think it actually does actually, because this will just make your controllers stay there, even if you try to move them. So that's not what we want. Okay, so yeah, I will give y'all um that script for the hands. It goes on your gorilla player as well. Okay, we're gonna copy component. I wonder if I can do this. New post. One-handed support. Nope, does not work. Okay. I open up these and then these as well. I will post a picture of this setting for you guys in here. Like so, put it there. And then let me grab this script real quick. Controller handler. Boom, like so. And I'm gonna post that. for you guys there. Boom. These are the settings you're gonna want to copy. You're just gonna take this, put it into your Gorilla Tag copy, put it onto the Gorilla player if you don't already have it, and then copy these right here. Make sure you copy all of this if it's not already done, and then boom, you will have one-handed control support. And that's also how you do trusted user room as well. Like I showed you over there. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Pretty weird video, I know. I taught you two things in one when I was supposed to teach you one thing. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and make sure to give me suggestions on what you guys want for a video for me to do, a tutorial on what to do, like maybe how to set up a gtag 24 project, gtag 25 project, um yeah, how to make mod menus, all that stuff. Make sure you um go into the Discord. It'll be link in the description. Same with Turbo Nova and Shadows thing, because I am a tutorial maker for the server and a helper for the server. It's great. Like I said last video, great guys, great server. People in here will actually help you, and yeah, and then join my server as well if you want to get these scripts and pack and fixes and packages, and then also see the tutorials I post. The tutorials will also be in here, like so, because I make tutorials for this server as well. So yeah, but I really hope you guys join both the servers. If not mine, uh, if not, if not, if you only join one, I really hope you join my server, because my server is a great server. Got a bunch of projects made by Mr. Den, which a lot of these, if they're made by Den, then they most likely have, or Ren as well. They most likely already have one-handed support in them. So yeah, and then yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I really hope you guys like this video, and I hope this helped you do trusted user and also one-handed support. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.